And Chalet's very first Halloween exclusive just arrived for 2024. I think y'all are going to be really excited about this one because it's a collaboration between two of your favorite brands, Wearingeul and Magna Carta. And it's only available here at Pin Chalet. Let's take a look. This is the custom box it comes in, and it's a magnetic closure lid. You do have your warranty/ID card included, and you have your two Wearingeul inks, Heimdall and also Frankenstein. And these two very popular Wearingeul inks go perfectly with this fountain pen. It's the Mag 600 in a custom resin Magna Carta created in-house called All Hallows. And I'm sorry, actually it's called All Hallows Eve. And it is a really lovely, beautiful swirl of the orange, black, and purple colors that we typically associate with All Hallows Eve. Here's a good up-close look at this custom resin. And it is paired with a gold-plated trim. And you see that in the pin clip, that's a spring metal clip, as well as the center ring with the Magna Carta name and logo. And it is fitted with the really well-known at this point, number 6 14-karat gold TrueFlex fountain pen nib that Magna Carta created and introduced on this Mag 600 fountain pen model. The Mag 600 uses a cartridge converter filling system compatible with international standard size cartridges or converters, but it does come with a converter already installed in the pen. And the trim on this pen is actually 24-karat PVD gold-plated trim. Order your All Hallows Eve set today at pinchalet.com.